Hey kids, this is DJ Rowdy Rappin' Randy with Yes, Our Kids Can Radio. We have a new song today. It's called I'm Smart. So get up and let's go.
I'm smart. I'm smart. I'm smart. I'm smart. Everyone is smart at something. I'm smart.
Everyone is smart at something.
I'm smart. Yeah, everyone is smart at something. I'm smart. I'm smart. I'm smart. I'm smart. I'm smart. Everyone is smart at something. I'm smart.
Everyone is smart at something.
I'm smart. Yeah, everyone is smart at something.
DJ Rowdy Rappin' Randy with Yes, Our Kids Can Radio. Radio for smart kids. Everybody is smart at something. So call in and tell us what you like to do.
I like science. Well, I can be a scientist, study real hard, and help my environment. I like cooking. Well, I can be a chef. I can cook for the president. I can be the best. I like building.
Well, I can be an architect. I can build something huge that no one would forget.
I like sports. Well, I could be an athlete, train real hard. I could be on the Olympic team. I like to draw. Well, I can be an artist. I can draw anything, even if it is the hardest. I like video games. Well, I can be a game designer. I can make cool games. I could be a code writer. I'm smart. I'm smart. I'm smart.
I'm smart.